As they say, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so you better begin your day with a healthy breakfast option that offers plenty of benefits, and oats do just that. Oats are loaded with a dietary fiber and minerals that help in combating dangerous health conditions like cancer, cholesterol, and diabetes. Including oatmeal in your diet provides a wide variety of health benefits. Let us discuss these benefits. In the next few minutes, we are going to explore. Sit tight and watch till the end. Your body has fasted for 8 hours straight and now needs replenishment for all the work it did overnight, repairing itself. At a time like this, you need to complete breakfast source to feed your cells. When such source is oats, eating oats every morning will help your body in the following ways. Oatmeal is highly recommended for people who are trying to lose weight. They are loaded with fiber which slows digestion and makes you feel satiated for a longer period. Not only for weight loss, but even for those who wish to gain weight, oats are a great breakfast option. They contain healthy fats, fiber, protein, and carbohydrates. Oats have been used as a soothing agent to relieve itch and irritation while also providing an array of benefits for the skin. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, oatmeal can normalize the skin's pH. It also helps moisturize and soften the skin. Oats have a well-balanced nutrient profile. You will find oats to be high in carbohydrates and fiber, including the powerful fiber beta-glucan. They are also higher in protein and fat than many other grains. Oats are high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant plant compounds. It means that oats are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. Beta-glucan, a special fiber found in oats, helps in boosting the infection-fighting blood cells in our bodies and improves their ability to eliminate bacteria. Why are oats considered a healthy pre-bedtime snack? According to experts, oats contain melatonin and complex carbohydrates that help more tryptophan to get into the brain and help you sleep. Furthermore, oats contain several vitamins, including B6, a cofactor that aids in serotonin production in the brain. Since carbs are the body's primary source of energy, and since oats are rich in carbs, they offer an energy boost when consumed right in the morning. But worry not, oats are absorbed much slower in the body, and this gives you a longer lasting boost in addition to not spiking your blood sugar levels. And the B vitamins in oats work together to help your body metabolize energy. Oats are a rich source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which helps in regulating bowel movements and hence prevents constipation. Including oats in your daily diet can keep the issue of constipation at bay. Savor them as part of your breakfast meal. But wait, have you ever thought about some side effects of oats? That discussion is for the next video.